Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to disable Huawei Assistant today on this device. So usually, if you on the home screen, if you swipe right, you just go to the second screen, but if you swipe left, you just open this Assistant today. What is this, what this feature for? I don't want this to open suddenly on my device. So you can just disable this feature by making like this on your screen. Then go to the home screen settings, and here you can disable this Huawei Assistant today. And as you can see, now I don't have this menu here anymore. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.